What up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? It's your boy MikeDub. I got some flyers. Um, Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the share button. We're gonna do some more content today. The last video left off, I put my glove box covers on my Harley, sprayed the grills, and buttoned up the back end. So now we're gonna work on the audio. The very light of the audio, what I plan on doing. So check it out. All right, so I put one coat of this Gorilla waterproof patch and seal on the speakers. The speaker still moves, which is basically that's all it does is just push air. I'm gonna do one more coat. This stuff sprays out kind of what I would say violently. Give it a little shake here. My ones don't even want to spray this stuff. Now, let me close my garage because I ain't trying to spray my cars. That's how violent this stuff sprays. Watch this. Well, I'm gonna squirt. You see how that's like a straight beam? I try to just alright, so then after I do that, I use a little sponge brush. Can't use that one, it's already hard. Should have another one up there. So I'm gonna use this sponge brush. Guess I'm gonna ruin it. But just kind of spread it around so it can kind of even out and get all the clumps up out of the cone part. Just want to get a nice even coat. I'm gonna hit it a few more spots where I see, kind of dry it. Just want to make sure I get a good coverage. So I'm gonna leave that to dry, and I'm about to go. I'm about to go find some tweeters. I'm helping my daughter with her pop-up shop. She sells candles on the side, and this was just kind of thrown. I was voluntold to help with her pop-up shop table today. This was not on my agenda, but I'm gonna go find a tweeter. I might use this crossover. I couldn't find the crossover that goes to that component set. I got a tweeter and a crossover with that component set, but I cannot find what I did with the crossover and the tweeters, which is so weird. Could be in a box in the attic, but I ain't finna go through every box I own. So worst case scenario, I can use the Dremel tool and just cut this out. Clip those ends back there. And still use, yeah, and still use this this crossover. See how it sounds? They might have some cheap crossovers with the tweeters that I get, then I won't really need a crossover. I just gotta see what I find, but that is an option, is to use the crossover on the back of that. And the whole thing is just, I'm gonna end up getting a radio. Yeah, probably a flip out radio. And that's gonna probably be more power than this radio. I just want speakers in here that are not gonna distort so fast. Is my whole objection. I just know these, you know, these compared to those, I mean, come on. So, my whole objection. So yeah, but anyway, I need to get this tent loaded in her car. And it's daddy-daughter day, I guess. But I'm gonna try to sneak in and do some things. Yeah, find tweeters, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I found these tweeters, the PRV soft dome tweeters, 100 watts RMS, 200 watts max. They're a nice little shallow mount tweeter. Hopefully they'll last me long enough so I can get those Diamond Audio super tweeters. The good thing about these are like really shallow. So I didn't really even need to cut that hole out. Of course I thought I was gonna get the Diamond Audio. Well, I know I'm gonna get the Diamond Audio sooner or later. So the hole's already cut, but you know, I found the perfect tweeter. And the grills matched almost tit for tat. So yeah, I'm about to get the Dremel tool and Dremel a little bit of this out and get them to fit. Alright, so right now I'm soldering. Trying to get this out the way so you can see. Alright, so right now I'm soldering these wires onto the terminals. I've already done this one. So I got two wires. One set's gonna go to the radio and one set's gonna go to the tweeter. And I just had to run to AutoZone real quick and get some solder. And I forgot to start the camera. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. Soldering is pretty easy. It intimidates a lot of people. But you just put the iron right next to where you want it to solder it, and then push the solder onto it, and it'll beat up. And then from there, you can kind of smooth it on there if you want. I normally use a sand. Here we go, clean your solder, all the solder off your tool every so often. I mean, I'm not doing enough soldering to really clean it like that, but you want to keep it clean. I know this motorcycle is going to be shaking and stuff, so I just want to make sure that I cover quite a bit of the terminal. Alright, so now the only thing I gotta do now is solder and shrink wrap. I got some shrink wrap here. The factory wire, the factory wire to this wire, as well as I got a solder and shrink wrap. I don't know if I said solder, as well as solder and shrink wrap the tweeter. So I just put the shrink wrap on so I know it's there. You know what? I did that wrong. I gotta do this individual. I'm gonna put a little piece of tape or something on shrink wrap to keep it up out my way. Solder. Gotta put the blue tape in the drawer because my wife will use blue tape to mark out where she wants to hang a picture, or where she wants to put some furniture, or where she wants to do whatever. And by the time I need some more blue tape, I'm the one I always gotta run to the store and go get it. So now I'm tired. She needs some blue tape, she go to the store and get some. As many times as I've provided for blue tape. You can't tired of running to the store, you know? So this is just to keep the shrink wrap up out my way while I'm soldering, and then when I get through, I can bring it back down and shrink wrap the joint. But I'll let y'all see what it looks like when I finish. I don't have that much memory left on my phone. I gotta erase some videos. Alright, Chuck, I got the 6.5 in. See them blue things back there? High, looking good. I gotta go get some spade connectors. And I'm done. Them big babies in there, boy. I gotta get some spade, some flat, some male connectors to go into this factory. Right now I just got the wires pushed up in there. I can't believe I don't have any male connectors. But I'm about to run to AutoZone and get some. And we should be good to go. Alright folks, well, we ran into a problem. The speakers are too big. I don't know if you can see. The camera's not going to focus in there, but the magnet is touching the fan, and I am not going to be able to use these audio bonds. And the thing about it, they're just too big. I wish I could let you hear them, but it's kind of like, what's the point? So I guess I gotta go find some, order some more speakers. Because the ones around town are gonna be too expensive, and I need them to be waterproof. So I thought I had an easy fix for my tunes, but I guess not.